The king has returned to the top of the throne.
The king is back! DeepSeek just dropped a massive update, and as you can see from these benchmarks, it is absolutely crushing the competition across the board. I'm going to show you exactly how to get your hands on its API completely for free. Search for Nvidia models. Click on the Nvidia Developer link. Once you're on the AI models page, just scroll through the options until you spot DeepSeek V4 Pro. Click on it and you'll be prompted to log into your Nvidia Developer account. Once you're signed in, just hit View Code, generate your free API key, and copy that Python block right there. Now let's actually test it. I'm pasting that code right into Google Colab, popping in my API key, and hitting it with the ultimate AI trap question. Which is larger, 9.11 or 9.8? And boom, look at that chain of thought. It perfectly breaks down the decimals and gives us the correct answer. It generated that full detailed reasoning in just 16 seconds. It is incredibly fast, and you get a very generous rate limit of up to 40 requests per minute. If this helped you out, drop a like, hit subscribe for more cutting edge AI tools, and thanks for watching.